Hello everyone. Good morning all. So let's have uh, we are coming again with another SQL challenge case studies. So we have few different tables are there. I have already created the tables. So pubs table are there. In that pub ID, pub name, city, state and country column is given. Then in beverages table, beverages ID, beverage name, category, alcohol content, price per unit column is given. Then sales table, sales ID, pub ID, beverage ID, quantity and transaction date is given. In that pub ID and beverage ID are the foreign key in the sales table, and pub ID and beverage ID is primary key in the respective pubs and beverages table. And at the end we have rating table is there, and I have already inserted the data into the all the four tables. So now let me select the data from all the four tables: pubs, beverages, sales and rating table. So you can see over here. Now what is the first question? How many pubs are located in each country? So if you see over here, country country in the country, there are four different countries are there, right? So let me, how many pubs are located in each country? So I think in all the four countries, one pub are available, right? So this should be our answer. Now, what is the total sales amount for each pub, including the beverage price and quantity sold? So, if you see over here, for this we need to join the pubs table, beverages table, and sales table, because quantity is given in the sales table, then price per unit given in the beverages table, and pubs table definitely we have to join, right? Because for each pub, they are asking us the detail. So pub ID and pub name we require from the pubs table. And then we need to multiply price per unit and quantity from beverages and sales table. So what we have done, we have joined all the three tables with the respective joining condition in pubs and sales table. Pub ID column is common in both this table, and then in beverages ID is there, and which is also available in the sales table. So and at the end we have done the aggregation of sum with multiplication of quantity and price per unit, and because of we have used the aggregate function over here, we have done the group by. So let me execute the query. So this will be our output: total sales amount. Here we can give the alias as total sales amount, right? So this will be our output. Now, which pub has the highest average rating? So in this case, we need to do join between pubs table and rating table with pub ID column. So if you see over here in the rating table, rating column is given, right? So here we need to find the average rating pub wise. So we need to find the average of rating column, and then we need to do group by pub ID or pub name we can take. But now highest average rating, right? So this is the rating of average rating of each pub. Now we want highest only, so we need to do the top one over here. So basically the Red Leon pub has done the highest rating, right? Now what are the top five beverages by sales quantity across all pubs? So let me So these are the what are the top 5 beverages by sales quantity. So here we need to do the sum of sales quantity, and we need to join the beverage and sales table with beverage ID column. And because of we have done the sales aggregate function of sum, we need to do group by over here. So now we want top 5 only. So we need to do just top 5 over here. So this will be our output. Now how many sales transaction occurred on each date? So if you see in the sales table, select star from sales, there are different transaction date are there, right? And it is also some transaction dates are repeating, right? Over here this is repeating, this is repeating. So we need to count sales ID, or we can say count of one by group by transaction date. So these are the transaction has been done on a particular date. So in the if you see 3rd of May, total 4 transaction has been done. Then 9th of May, 5 transactions has been done. So this will be our output. And if we want to do order by date, then also, or if we can say order by transaction per date, means highest transaction on a particular date will come first. If we do over here descending, then highest transaction on a particular date. So in 9th May, there is a highest number of transaction has been done, like that. So thank you so much everyone. We will come again with the rest of the questions in our next video. Thank you.